Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's almost Christmas, and you know what that means? Time for festive baking. But who says the classics have to be the only stars of the show? Today, we're taking a delicious detour to whip up a sweet and salty treat that's perfect for gifting, snacking, or simply spreading holiday cheer. Christmas crack with a saltine twist. What is Christmas crack? For those unfamiliar, Christmas crack, also known as saltine toffee, is a buttery toffee base topped with rich chocolate and your favorite toppings. But why settle for plain crackers when we can add a bit of crunch and character? That's where the saltines come in, adding a delightful textural contrast that takes this beloved candy to the next level. Ingredients: 40 saltine crackers, 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, 1 cup packed brown sugar, 1.5 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, optional, 1/4 cup crushed peppermint candies, optional, festive sprinkles, optional. Let's get crackin'. 1. Prep the canvas. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Arrange the saltines in a single layer, making sure they're snug but not overlapping. 2. The golden goo. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt the butter and brown sugar together. Keep whisking until the sugar dissolves and the mixture bubbles gently. Let it simmer for 3 minutes, without stirring, to create a rich caramel. 3. Pour the magic. Carefully pour the hot caramel over the saltines, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Make sure to reach all the corners. 4. Bake in the heat. Pop the baking sheet into the oven and bake for 5 minutes, just until the caramel bubbles and starts to turn golden brown. Watch it closely to avoid burning. 5. Chocolate bliss. Take the sheet out of the oven and immediately sprinkle the chocolate chips over the hot caramel. Let them sit for a minute, then use a spatula to gently spread the melted chocolate into a smooth layer. 6. Top it off. This is where you get creative. Sprinkle your favorite toppings while the chocolate is still warm. Chopped nuts, crushed candy canes, and festive sprinkles are all fantastic options. 7. Chill out. Let the Christmas crack cool completely at room temperature, then break it into pieces using a sharp knife or your hands. Go messy. Store it in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Tips and tricks. Don't overbake the caramel. Aim for a light golden brown for the perfect chewy texture. Add a pinch of sea salt to the chocolate for an extra flavor layer. Be bold. Experiment with different toppings like dried cranberries, pretzels, or even crumbled cookies. This recipe is easily doubled for a larger batch, perfect for holiday parties or gifting. There you have it, folks. Christmas crack with a saltine twist. A simple recipe with a bold flavor punch. Give it a try, get creative, and spread the holiday cheer one delicious bite at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more festive recipes and fun in the kitchen. And most importantly, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.